Hey everybody, I'm back again for another video, and today we're reviewing Tenkai Knight's Brave and Wolf. Tenkai Knights was a show back in 2013. Yeah, I don't remember all the names, but the only Tenkai Knight I remember now is Brave and Wolf. You see his shield, his samurai shield, and his sword stick together. The reason why I stick that together, the reason why I stick that together because I feel like his blue arm is coming off. I had this thing for so long. And the reason why I put Braver Wolf to blue to white is because I lost the white pieces. Man, I'm losing so many pieces. As you can tell, he's not in his Titan form. Oh crap. Yeah, these things are no longer on sale. They're probably selling them in Japan now, since the show is canceled and everything. Tell you the truth, I love this Brave Wolf version better than the American one. Oh, just a second. This is just another shield that I put on there. Brave Wolf did have a red shield, but I lost that piece. Yeah, man. It sucks that. Oh, crap. It sucks that I didn't get all the Tenkai Knights back then. Oh, let's let you know, Tenkai Knights wasn't Japanese anime. So yeah, you can probably get these things now on eBay or Amazon, because they're not selling anymore. Yeah. The show is not around. If Toys R Us was still around, these back then these things would have sold completely. Anyway, guys, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe.